Cheers.
Cheers to the game. Good morning, everyone. We are back. We are on the trail for reals this time. We got Matt and Libby. We're about to go hike to a secret beat, and yeah, it's a beautiful day today, end of January. And any closing statements? See everyone at the beach. Well, gang, we successfully have made it. Now we're on our way back. Beautiful 5 miles to get here. Beautiful 5 miles to get back. All right, we are officially back to the cars.